You got any weapons or anything?
Nope.
What's going on with him?
I don't know. He drunk, bro. I'm trying to work.
Hold on, man.
I'm young in the mud.
Well, let me figure out what's going on.
Like 40 years old.
You got any weapons? Can I pat you down real quick? Make sure you don't have any weapons. Here. Don't reach for nothing. Oh! Oh! Shots fired! Shots fired! I'm hit! He's taking off in my car. Shots fired. I'm hit. He's running. He's running down 21st behind the brown house. Started inside. I don't know. Just get in it. Get on the brakes. Oh, I'm hit. Am I hitting the face? No. 17, starting so I'm hitting the right leg.
The suspect was struck by Officer Sheehan's gunfire and was found wounded a short time later behind a nearby house. Officers rendered medical aid to Wilson, and IMSA transported him to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The suspect's firearm was located at the scene. Officer Sheehan was transported to OU Medical Center where he was treated and released. He has been placed on routine administrative leave pending the outcome of the investigation. During the course of the investigation, it was learned that several citizens had seen Wilson brandishing a firearm as he was walking through the neighborhood just prior to the shooting. The investigation is still in the early stages and will take time to complete.